Patisserie and Bakehouse, and it looks like a splendid place to be at. I especially love the decor that they have here because as you can see the architecture and the greenery and the way it's being designed, it's very inviting and very exciting and very green. So let's go inside and have some really good artisanal desserts and food. I'm a big lover of desserts. I love desserts so much that usually I have my desserts before my main course. Hi, this is Ankita from HyBiz TV and we have with us Kanti Dutt from Naomi Patisserie and Bakehouse. So Kanti, can you tell us about the entire story on how this venture started?
Hi Ankita, nice to meet you and thank you for coming to our place Naomi today with HyBiz. A little background about myself and how all of this started. I've been in the media business for over 7.5 years before I started Sustain Cart, which is an e-commerce platform with Shilpa Reddy. And then I happened to meet Chef Nikita and Chef Akash, who are the actual brains behind Naomi Patisserie and Bakehouse, and I met them late November 2022, and within 1 month of meeting we have launched this outlet in Jubilee Hills. It was very intuitive for us, but something that got me hooked on to investing in Naomi and in the business was my belief in the process of investing in people, not the business. So there is sheer belief and deep sense of trust in Chef Nikita and Chef Akash. So about them, Chef Nikita, chocolatarian and a patisserian with ITC Kohinoor in the past. And Chef Akash was again handling a restaurant in ITC Kohinoor. So both of them have spent over 7 to 9 years individually in the F&B space with several 7-star and 5-star hotels. And finally, they decided to step out of, the hotel business and launch their own patisserie and a cafe. So that's when I pitched in and we put this together. So the uniqueness with Nikita's desserts, as you can see here, she makes entremets, which are also called as experiential cakes. If a cake has 3 layers, which includes a sponge, a ganache and a mousse, Nikita makes it a little more creative and adds real elements to it. Like if we are making an almond cake, you can find pieces of almonds, like crunched almonds. If you're eating a strawberry entremet, you can actually eat the real strawberries that are made into a layer into making the process, in the making process of the entremet. So that stands as her USP. And Chef Akash is a brilliant European and Italian trained chef. And this sourdough pizza that you can see here is his recipe. And I would say I'm a very well-traveled person. I'm a big-time foodie. I've had desserts, pizzas, croissants everywhere I've traveled. But the kind of uniqueness he could build with the sourdough pizza recipe, I think is a killer and the USP of the whole setup. So sourdough is basically fermented overnight and the fermentation leads to easy digestion. So I would say it is a little healthier version of the flour regular pizza. And again, they have had a beautiful concoctions built around every recipe by mixing world cuisine with Indian ingredients. So the taste and feel is very world cuisine types, but we know that the ingredients used are Indian ingredients. Nothing is import. So that makes us more sustainable in terms of import and the flying miles of the ingredients that a lot of restaurants use from different countries.
Yes. So as you said, like, Chef Nikita and Chef Akash, they have used their brilliant mind and experience into it. And guys, we can see the mangoes on top of the mango desert that we have. So this is part of the summer edit, as I think.
So we have just launched our summer edit. We are calling it the Mamidikai summer edit.
Why do you call so?
Mamidikai means mango in Telugu, and we wanted to relate to the local audience as much as possible. So we have curated several dishes with dry or raw mango as well as with the fruit mango, the ripe mango. So we are using the ripe mango in the desserts and also ripe mango in few food items. Like we have a dish that's also my favorite, which is yellow Thai curry with mangoes.
Wow.
So it's a Thai curry that you eat everywhere, but it has chunks of mango. It makes it amazingly, it's a very nice concoction of sweet, sour and spice. Similarly, there's with raw mango, which is unripe mango, Chef Akash has made a brilliant Vietnamese kind of a dish. We call it the Kesar mango roll in rice paper. So we are not using maida or flour, as we call it, to make a roll. So we use rice paper, which is obviously more healthy and very thin.
Japanese use rice paper.
Japanese and Vietnamese, both of them use rice paper. So we use rice paper to make like the product looks and tastes very close to sushi or a dumpling. But it's not that. It is his own concoction and variety. But having said that, our summer edit has received a lot of response because of the new concoctions. Even with the sourdough pizza, he makes this amazing avakai chicken pizza. Avakai means mango pickle in Telugu. So avakai chicken pizza is basically about using avakai or the mango pickle with the chicken while garnish. And it gives you a very the tangy mango.
So do you guys marinate it with the chicken?
We marinate chicken with the mango pickle. And obviously I don't know the exact process of how long they take for it, but it's made it's the avakai, which is mango pickle and chicken, are mixed during marination, and then it is used as a topping while making the pizza.
So coming up with such concoctions in such a short span of time, you said like 3 months, must have been a very challenging task, especially with the Indian recipes and Indian ingredients.
Absolutely.
So how do you experiment with it?
I think that's the speciality that Chef Akash and Chef Nikita bring to the table. That's the USP. That is for the very reason I've said I believe in investing in people and not in a business. So it's their art. They are craftsmen. They are creative, and I think that is what is making us stand unique when compared to the other restaurants or cafes in the city.
So, are there any future projects that you're going to have with regards to, sustainable, eco-friendly, as well as putting the desserts together?
Sure. So, as a brand Naomi, I think we are looking at expanding into 2-3 more outlets this year.
Wow.
And maybe a few more than following year. The idea is to create, a chain stores kind of a concept for Naomi.
Makes sense.
And I look up to a lot of similar brands in the space in the local market. And there is so much to learn from them. And I believe in very healthy competition. Everybody has their niche in the market and they build their market. In terms of sustainability, me and Shilpa Reddy, we've been focusing on building multiple consumer brands. We are building a peanut butter company as we speak. And We want to build a air-fried snacks company and so on and so forth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Changing the way we consume and what we consume
Yeah.
is the first thing to do for sustainability and healthy lifestyle. So what goes into you is the most crucial and important part.
Yeah.
So I think both me and Shilpa, when it comes to Sustain Cart, or me, Nikita and Akash, when it comes to Naomi, we are all collectively very like-minded people.
Yeah.
We like to focus on not just our monetary benefit, but also what people take back from our business. They need to be healthy when they go back from here.
Yeah.
Trust me, you can have a full portion of sourdough pizza, which is a 12-inch pizza, and you will still feel light.
Oh, wow.
You will not be full, I assure you.
Okay.
So
I'll have
that
to try
kind
that.
of, you should feel light, you should feel healthy. You can run and jump after having a full pizza. So that's what we are looking at.
So how are you planning to maintain the exclusivity when you are going to try and open a lot many stores?
So we are currently working on training the team in the Jubilee Hills outlet, and the team will be departed to other outlets as we launch. And I think it is very important in the first few months of launching a new outlet that Chef Akash or Chef Nikita personally visit the new outlet, spend some time and build the whole thing again. It's a very time-intensive process, but Nikita and Akash are here for that. And I will fix the rest of the dots.
I'm so glad that you guys are choosing quality and people over anything else.
Absolutely.
And where can we find you on social media, or how can we get in touch with you?
So we exclusively sell on Swiggy at this point in time. If you want to try our food, on Instagram we are Naomi.Patisserie, Naomi.Patisserie.
Okay. Follow them on Naomi.Patisserie, and guys, do check them out. This is Ankita signing off. What I have with me has a crunchy popcorn on top of it, which you wouldn't believe is really crunchy. So guys, we have with us Zorro. He's the in-house pet, as I said. Cute little pet in a cute little pet-friendly cafe.